All right, let's take a look at 2019 number 1, part D. Is the rate of change in the number of fish in the lake increasing or decreasing at t equal 5? Explain your reasoning. First thing first, understand what you're being asked. We are not asked for is the number of fish in the lake increasing or decreasing. We're asked is the rate of change increasing or decreasing. The rate of change in the number of fish is E of t minus L of t because, remember, back in part C, A of t was this integral function, and its derivative, which is the rate of change in the amount of fish, would be E of t minus L of t. So we want to know, is the function E of t minus L of t increasing or decreasing? If you can always revert it back to the function and not worry so much about the word, this makes it easy. Is this function increasing or decreasing? We all know that if you want to know if a function is increasing or decreasing, you take its derivative and see if it's positive or negative. So we know then, since E of t minus L of t is the rate of change in the amount of fish, its derivative, which is the second derivative of the amount of fish, is E prime of t minus L prime of t. And if we do E prime of 5 minus L prime of 5, that will tell us that whether or not the function E of t minus L of t is increasing or decreasing. And E prime of 5 minus L prime of 5 is negative 10.7223, which tells me that the rate of change in the number of fish is decreasing at t equal 5 because E prime of 5 minus L prime of 5 is less than 0. In other words, the function E of t minus L of t is decreasing. And again, if you just have to revert it back to what the function stands for. So not too bad of a question as long as you understand what you're being asked.